Hey.
I don't think we like where this is going.
Hey,
Accept it.
hey,
Accept it. Accept it. Where's the sign when you need it?
No. No.
Where is it?
No.
Where's the sign when you need it?
No. Hype, what is your fucking Steam background?
Oh, wait. Now I gotta see this.
No, don't ask.
Now I gotta see this.
View profile. Okay.
Yeah, looking at Hype Steam. Oh, if you scroll down, it gets better. I don't know if you can show that.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Fuck this guy! Grab him! Lift him! Get him out of here!
Damn, look how dumb they are over there.
Whee!
Oh, he's done.
How do you jump?
Grr. You want it?
Get the fuck out of here! Oh shit!
Hey, stop fighting! Oh!
Look at all those weenies down there. Oh, I come in with the overwhelm assistance.
No! No! Don't take me! Not with the wieners! Fuck the wieners! I live, Andrew.
Bro, Miller got fucking...
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Oh my god.
There he goes.
What is that lucky ass shit? Oh, the shredder map.
Oh, fuck, I hate this. You get knocked out, you're fucked.
What was that?
Wait.
Guys, I think someone got knocked out.
He wasn't lying.
What is Rick doing?
I'm trying to learn how to climb.
I'm climbing to this, dude.
Get the fuck out
Oh
of
my goodness, he died.
How do you do that?
Welcome to learning how to rock climb. Ugh.
How does this man just have the immaculate strength of fucking Superman?
Get the fuck out of here!
Don't like you with these knockouts. Get over here.
No! You fucking pussy!
Quickly!
Get him! He's out! No!
Come at me.
How do you knock yourself out?
Oh my god! Come at me, bitch.
Fuck it! Fuck!
Oh, there he goes, Rick.
Well, that wasn't intentional. You wouldn't dare. You may think.
I am thinking.
Oh! But I'm back!
Are you guys just headbutting each other?
Yeah.
Ow.
Fuck off! No!
We're gonna knock each other.
No! Yes, he fucked up! He fucked up, yes!
Yes, you survived.
You can try it, unit! But I always come back! Oh! He put his hands in the air!
Put your hands in the air like you don't care.
Directions are hard in this game.
Ow.
Come on, go! Lift him up! Lift him up! Fucking!
Are you choking?
Growl like you're a fucking
Damn! That was a
Now bend
sweet
over.
everything.
Hey, yo! Yo, you consent! Oh, tables turned how they have owed. Never mind, they're back to where they were.
Oh!
How do you bend over? Grab him, please! It doesn't let me grab! Oh no, not this. Anything but this.
Unit is 30 seconds to
You failed!
win. This might be a draw. You gotta survive, Gene. You gotta survive.
I would if I could figure out the fucking. Come on!
He's gonna send himself into the grinder.
14, 13.
Oh!
Yes!
Oh, that's it.
I threw my head in the air.
Here,
Welcome,
here,
ladies and
I wanna-
gentlemen. Let's get ready to rumble.
Fuck you.
Let them settle it. Let them settle it. We're watching. We're spectating.
No, no.
Yeah. Oh,
Let's go. Let's go.
you went there. Wait, hype.
Jesus.
Why am I done?
Oh, there it goes.
Get out!
Oh, get out! Get out!
Get him. Go. Throw him. Fuck!
Fuck it!
You went in there! Oh!
Fuck it! No.
No, he's still shooting us! Don't let him win!
He's gonna solo you guys after you fucking punched him on accident.
Ow.
Dude, his helmet won't
Go.
fall.
Ow. Oh my god, wake up! What the fuck?
Yeah!
I'm gonna hold it and make it not move.
Yes. Let's do it.
Let's see.
5 minutes later.
Oh! Hang on.
Wait, it's working! It's working! Oh, no, it's not.
Don't worry, guys.
What's happening here?
I don't know. No, I'm no longer grabbed in anything.
Yes! Grab it!
Oh, I got it!
Yes! I got something else! Here we go
God.
again!
Oh,
Ah.
I'm holding! No, I'm lost it! I'm holding it again!
What's the pipe? How's it going, bro?
Let's go!
How's it
I'm
going?
fair if we all get a draw on this round.
No!
Oh no, what have you done? Damn, that was a waste of fucking 5 minutes!
What do you mean? I had fun.
What's up?
Give me a booty.
Wait, what?
I wanna be just like them, hype. Why can't we have no?
Hey.
I don't think we like where this is going.
Hey,
Accept it!
hey.
Accept it! Accept it! Where's the damn sign when you need it?
No! No!
Where is it?
No!
Where's the damn sign when you need it?
Oh, no! Well,
I literally, in the air, as I'm being lifted, I just use my strength to pull you up while in the air.
Dude, wait, what? Uh-oh. No, you fucking wouldn't.
My turn.
No, you wouldn't. You wouldn't.
My turn.
Rex.
My turn.
I'm sorry, but it was so good. Just where's a fucking billboard? How you feel with that, pussy?
I won.
How? He's still alive down there, Rek.
Wait, what?
I don't know how.
I'm built different.
Naruto. 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 No.
He's holding on to the helmet. What is happening? He just rolls down the street. Try it, pussy.
Oh, C does change views.
Okay.
Yeah, but only when you're alive. You wouldn't dare. Uh-oh.
Guys, listen.
Wait,
This
guys,
is a team.
Guys,
This is a.
wait. I don't like this. I'm not a sacrificial lamb.
You know what happened in Jerusalem?
Uh-oh.
18 BC? I don't know.
How much you lift, bruh?
come on, bro!
Why me?
You lift, bruh.
Take it!
Oh, I got stuck on the pole.
How much you lift, bruh?
Lift your mom.
How much you lift, bro?
Give it to him.
This is a sacrifice!
Falcon punch.
What just happened?
I don't have any words for that.
I put everything I had in that one. Holy shit.
Bro, just turned into fucking Saitama and one
Oh
punch
my
me off
god.
the map.
This is for the animals. This is for the animals. This is for the animals.
This is for the animals.
This is for the animals.
Come on, 3.
This is for the animals. Yay! I won.
The fact that the pole literally cut your arm in half and knocked
It's stuff with the rope.
I don't care. The sound will never not be funny.
You just start swinging for no reason. Okay, now you're just hitting yourself.
Why?
I have
Oh, this is
depression.
about to be a double
I
knockout.
have depression. I have depression. I have depression.
The truck honked. Oh, this is about to be a knockout for you. Oh, I thought you landed it! If you had landed it.
Dude, that could have been awesome.
Is he gonna get hit before it resets?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Jesus.
What is that? How did they get that noise? It's so fucking crunchy.
You know what they should replace it with? That fucking bar that keeps dropping. The middle bar.
Oh,
Hey, wait. What? What?
Fuck off me.
He thinks I'm
Fuck
dead.
off me.
But I'm
You're gonna be knocked out instead of. Oh shit! Never mind.
Uh-oh.
Hey, save me! We're part of the family tree.
yeah.
Oh. Oh!
Another one! Another one! I'm a part of the family tree.
Oh, we should.
God
damn it. You know what magic is?
Yeah!
I'm gonna headbutt it.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Technically, if you
Oh,
really think
yeah.
about it,
First.
his helmet is actually protecting
Okay,
him.
ready to jump?
Yep.
What was that? What
How's
was
that, boys? What is that?
What was that?
How's that? Oh
How
my
did
god.
you
Oh my
survive
god.
that? How did you survive that?
I just went for it. I don't know.
You're an
Fucking the
asshole!
widest jump.
I got you by one arm, pussy.
Ass down, hands up.
Ass down. No, face down, ass up. Well, this is gonna be very interesting how I'm the only one that's gonna
I
survive.
think I'll be
this.
okay. I'm not okay.
Sup, name's Dave. Oh, fair enough.
Bye, Dave.
Oh, sorry.
Why?
Hello.
Why do you
Ow.
insist on doing these things?
Here, go to the other truck. Go to the
Alright,
other truck.
fine. Look, I'm not
How you
good.
doing down there?
Good. Pretty good. Hey. Hey! What's that racism? Uh-oh.
No, no.
Oh, this is not happening.
Ow.
One arm, motherfucker. One arm, motherfucker. One arm. One arm, motherfucker. One arm, motherfucker. Omae-wa-mu, shinderu. Come here. One arm, motherfucker.
Ow.
Oh, Wreck is still in the box.
This is at the left of my screen.
I just saw him coming out to the left.
Fucking bottom left of my screen. I see a face.
Oh shit.
Oh! Wow, would you look at that, dub? Hang on, watch this.
Oh. Oh.
Wait, what? I'm not even
Your
touching
character-
anything! I'm just holding on to it! I let go of my mouse!